Okay, let's finish out this module with our challenge lab. And again, just like the applied lab, it has all the tasks down the left-hand side. I'm going to go through these real quick. Shouldn't take you more than a few minutes to do all of these. So on the items in stock tab, which is what I'm on, we're going to merge cells A1, maybe, A1 to G3. So quick merge. And we are going to center them horizontally and vertically. Change the orientation of B4 to G4 to rotate text up. Adjust the width of columns B to G to 26 pixels. And I did it this way last time. Let's see if we can do the other way for y'all. Where's my page layout? All right, my width. We want this. Oh, see, it took it off. But normally you should be able to come in here and adjust the width as well. So I'm just going to do it this way, but that is your other option to come in and change the width. All right. Use AutoFit to adjust the width of column A. So I'm going to click on that right there. And then I'm going to scroll down and see the others. Oh, there's only 4 tasks here. Let me move this a little bit to see the last one. All right, so for this, on the today's sales, actually before I do that, I'm going to check my answers, make sure the first 4 were done correctly. Good. All right, keep working. On today's sales, we're changing the format of A2 to long date. So here is this. We're going to go home. Instead of date, we want long date. Apply text wrapping from B3 to F3. So I'm going to wrap the text and I want auto fit to adjust the column of B. And then change the format of C4 to C9 to accounting. And then I'm also doing E4 to E10 accounting and change the format of F4 to F9 to percent. And it doesn't look like I can see the rest of my notes there. So there's A to 12. So if this ever happens, so it's not letting me scroll down, I can see the rest of the stuff. So I want the format F4 to F9 is percent, and I want to show 2 decimals. So I'm going to go like that, and then I'm going to come back in. I don't know why it's not letting me scroll down, but anyways, add a thin border around B3 to B9. So B3 to that'd be 9. Check that answer again, see what else it wants me to do there. Add a thin border from B3 to F9. Okay, so I want to do B3 to F9. And I'm going to do a thin border around that. And then it said apply bold to D10 to E10. So D10 and E10 are going to get bolded. And I'm going to check my answers one last time. I have one more step, change the background and text color for B3 to F3. So I have B3 to F3. Again, I'm going to make it real simple, change those 2 and check your answers. Everything is done good. So like I said, if you can't scroll down on that, you can always check the status, check your work and see what it's asking for. All right, good luck.